Welcome guys. Today in the topic of discussion is going to be about the CELIA airdrop that we touched in our last video, and today of course is the day, that's February 2nd, is the day that we got the airdrop. But how do you know if you got the airdrop? What are the requirements for the airdrop? We're going to look into that in the video along with XPlus. There is a whitelist for NFT going on. What is it? How can you get yourself a place in the whitelist spot? Let's find out. Here is the announcement. The 10 millionth CELIA massive airdrop has started. Now this is only round 1. They might be doing different rounds all through the month. Round 1 is for, guess it, KYC1 verified users. So if you are not KYC1, no need to expect anything from them. So you can just wait till when we talk about XPlus. Then the reward is 10 CELIA token. So they must probably have done a bit of maths on this before doing it. But if you're a KYC verified user, then this is how you can check it out. So ensure you verify your KYC1. Make sure to watch this video to find out how to do it. The links to the video is going to be in the description box. If you haven't joined the CELIA mining app, then make sure to use the referral code and you'll be able to join it. Just download it from Play Store. Depending on your device, if you're using iPhone, you can use the web mining app and start mining. Is going to be in the description box, so you can check out the video for the KYC1 and make sure to do that. What you need to do is to go to your CELIA app. Once you head over to your CELIA app, I just hope that you must have recorded how many you already have in your total balance. But what you're supposed to do is to scroll and you can see what you've gotten from airdrop. 10 CELIA. If you had to check this before to see how many it increased, but I only got 10. This airdrop must be from other airdrops that they have done before. Meanwhile, make sure to keep a solid mining streak and fulfill the order. If you can refer, then you can, but no need to put pressure on yourself. Just make sure to keep a solid mining streak and to complete your KYC1. This is not the only airdrop that will go around, and you have to try to be eligible for the others. Now the XPlus is live and it's live for all. The free mint whitelist for the XPlus Mon NFT is officially live. It is 5,000 only for the XEgg quota. More XEgg, more chance to get your AI monster on Arbitrum. Grab your whitelist on XPlus Mon tab. Now, by the time I'm recording, the 4,000 has already gone. So by the time it might come out, it is already finished. So about this, there might be another one, but this is first come first serve, although the chances of that are very slim. I posted it in both the WhatsApp, Telegram and Twitter channels, so make sure to join them as you wish to be a part of the community and get informed. I posted it there for people to know if they want to join, if you want to enter the whitelist, although there are some requirements, which is 1, you need to have 10 level 1 referrals, and this might also not be good for some people. It might not benefit some people. It's okay if you cannot join the whitelist, but if you can, then you should. But given that it might finish by the time this video comes out, this is just a reminder for why you should always be stay updated. You should join communities that will keep you updated with news of all project that you are on, and if you are able to connect all your social accounts and you have 10 level 1 referrals, you can enter the whitelist. So if there's any other information, I'm going to keep you informed from there, and I just wanted to keep you guys updated on this. This is the important news, and hope you enjoyed this video. Meanwhile, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's grow the community. 1,000 subscribers, we can do it. And like this video. If you have any questions, then make sure to ask it in the comment section. We really appreciate that.